Hi guys, I'm Cody J and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm trying my hand at following someone else's makeup tutorial. So I decided to go with Angela Bright, and we're going to be trying to recreate one of her iconic looks using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Alien Eyeshadow Palette. So grab your makeup brushes and let's get started. Okay, so I'm pretty excited about doing this video. This is something I've wanted to do for a while, and I know a lot of YouTubers will follow like really big name influencers makeup tutorials. So I thought I would steer away from like giving all this extra attention to some of these, huge influencers and people who are already super successful. So I decided to go with Angela Bright because I feel like she's somebody that's underrated. I feel like she deserves a lot more attention and notoriety than what I feel like she gets. So I have been watching her for maybe a year or two now, I think. So it's been a very long time. And all her eyeshadow tutorials are very easy to follow along with, in my opinion. So at least I'm hoping that they are. So today I'm going to be doing a Jeffree Star Cosmetics inspired one that she created. And I have not done a video like this before where I try and follow someone else's tutorial. So as far as like the whole like video on screen thing, it's kind of like, I don't know, weird for me. Like for some reason my head can't grasp around like how to do it right. So hopefully this isn't like a botched video, but I'm gonna try my best. And if you at home have the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Alien Palette and you want to follow along with me and Angela, I recommend you do so. I encourage you to do it. And if you end up doing this look that I'm doing that's inspired and obviously replicating one from Angela Bright, make sure you tag me and Angela on Twitter. So without further ado, let's cross our fingers and let's get started.
I'm going to start with Phone Home on a Sigma E35, and this is going to go in my crease. And I did prime my eye with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot.
Okay, so we're going to take this and go in our crease. Now I'm still going to try and keep the same shape that I usually like to do, but I'm obviously going to be using her techniques, similar brushes, and obviously the corresponding eyeshadow shades.
I'm going to pick up some Titan on the same brush, and I'm just going to use that to blend around the edges of Phone Home. So right under my brow. Now I'm going to take Area 51 on a Sigma E27, and I'm going to use this to deepen up my crease and make it nice and purpley.
I'm going to deepen up that crease. Okay, so far so good. We have the purple really pressed into the crease area. It's very, very vibrant. We also have some blending, of course, from the first two shades in with the purple. And if I'm guessing correctly, she's going to take another shadow to blend in the purple into our crease a little bit more.
Then I'm going to pick up some more Phone Home, and I'm going to blend the top part of that purple.
Okay, we're going to take a little bit of Phone Home, like Angela said, and we're using this to blend the purple even further.
So I'm going to take more Area 51 on an E57. This is a little packing brush, and I'm going to pack that on my outer and my inner corner.
Okay, so I'm going to be taking a Morphe M166 brush, dipping into that Area 51 like Angela said, and we're going to pack it onto our inner and outer corner. We have Area 51 packed onto our inner and outer corner, so let's see what's next. Now Angela's using concealer. I'm just going to be using my P. Louise base because y'all know this is my favorite. I'm just going to put that on the back of my hand a little bit, and I'm going to take a very small brush. I'm going to be using a M508 brush from Morphe.
I like to dot the concealer kind of in the center of my lid, like that, and then I like to look up and around, and you see where that transferred to, so that's where I want my crease to be, or my cut crease to be. So then I pick up a little bit more concealer, and then you can kind of like check again. It's not transferring any higher, so that's exactly where I want it. I'm going to take Flying Saucer on the same brush, and I'm going to place that on the edges of the concealer, so not right in the middle, just the outer and inner part.
Okay, so we're going to take this green, and we're going to put it on the outer and the inner part of the halo.
And then again, just wiping off my brush. And then I'm just gonna pat around the edges of
Okay, that looks perfect enough for me. Let's see what's next.
Then I'm gonna pick up Interstellar, and then I'm gonna place that in the center of my lid. Color. So again, going back and forth between the green and that shimmer to make it look blended.
Okay, so far it looks amazing. I think Angela's about to get ready to do her under eye.
Okay, I think I want to do that green flying saucer color on my lower lash line. I don't know why, but I just love purple and green together. It's such a weird combo, and like, am I Barney? I don't know. A lot of people say that purple and green looks like Mardi Gras, but I mean,
purple and green looks amazing together, Angela.
So then I'm going to take a little bit of Titan on a Sigma E33. And I'm just going to use that to blend right below that green. On my LO5, and I'm going to place that right here on the inner part of my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take a Sigma LO4 in the shade Pluto, and I'm going to go right in my inner corner right here. Okay, and now I just have to put purple in my waterline, so I'm going to take ColourPop Piggy Bank.
Okay, so real quick off camera, I'm going to throw on some mascara and lashes, finish this left eye, and I'll be right back to show you what it all looks like all together. Okay guys, this is the look all complete using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Alien Eyeshadow Palette and following the tutorial by Angela Bright. So I'm going to get up all in your space and let you see what we got. So I think it's absolutely stunning. I love everything about it. I love the color combinations. I like that it's kind of complex, but it was easy to achieve. I think this is definitely something that anybody can replicate, whether you're just starting out or more advanced, of course. So if you're looking for a channel that is really good at giving you pretty simple eyeshadow tutorials, I would definitely recommend checking out Angela Bright. I will link all of her social media and her YouTube channel in the description box below, so definitely go check her out. Okay guys, that's all I have for you today. If you'd like to keep up on all things Cody J, you can find me on social media at Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and TikTok, all at Cody J Artistry. And of course, if you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below. Click that big red subscribe button so you can join my YouTube family. Turn on my YouTube video post notifications by clicking that bell icon and changing it to all. And I will see you guys in the next one.